Acne vulgaris is a common skin disease, affecting approximately 9.4% of the world's population, with the highest prevalence in adolescents. It affects over 90% of males and 80% of females in all ethnic groups. The last FDA approval of an acne drug with a new mechanism of action occurred nearly 40 years ago. This video describes a new treatment recently approved by United States Food and Drug Administration for treatment of acne, which has totally a different mechanism of action than previously approved acne therapies. In August 2020, Cassiopea announced that the United States Food and Drug Administration, FDA, has approved its product Winlevi for the treatment of acne. Italian specialty pharmaceutical firm Cassiopea is a specialty pharmaceutical company developing and commercializing prescription drugs with novel mechanisms of action to address long-standing and essential dermatological conditions, particularly acne, androgenetic alopecia, and genital warts. What is Winlevi? Winlevi contains Clascoterone 1% in a cream base for topical dermatological use. Winlevi is now approved for topical treatment of acne vulgaris in patients 12 years of age and older. In pivotal clinical trials, Winlevi demonstrated treatment success and reductions in acne lesions and was well tolerated when used twice a day. Winlevi is expected to be available in the US in early 2021. What is a mechanism of action of Winlevi? Although Winlevi's exact mechanism of action is unknown, laboratory studies suggest the active ingredient, Clascoterone, is a topical androgen receptor inhibitor. It competes with androgens, specifically dihydrotestosterone, DHT, for binding to the androgen receptors within the sebaceous gland and hair follicles, and limits the effects of these hormones on increasing sebum production and inflammation. Winlevi is first-in-class topical treatment, which is now FDA approved. What are the side effects? In clinical trials, most common adverse reactions occurring in 7 to 12% of patients were erythema or reddening, pruritus, and scaling or dryness. Companies suggest to discontinue or reduce the frequency of application of Winlevi cream, if such side effect occurs. Other side effect reported in clinical trials were HPA axis suppression. HPA axis suppression may occur during or after treatment with Winlevi. In the PK trial, HPA axis suppression was observed in 5% of adult subjects and 9% of adolescent subjects at day 14. All subjects returned to normal HPA axis function at follow-up 4 weeks after stopping treatment. Conditions which augment systemic absorption include use over large surface areas, prolonged use, and the use of occlusive dressings. Company suggests to withdraw use of Winlevi if HPA axis suppression develops. Pediatric patients may be more susceptible to systemic toxicity. Hyperkalemia. Elevated potassium levels were observed in some subjects during the clinical trials. Shifts from normal to elevated potassium levels were observed in 5% of Winlevi-treated subjects and 4% of vehicle-treated subjects. Thank you for watching this video. If you still not subscribed my channel, please subscribe for more such videos. If you have any comments or questions, please write in comments section. Please share this video with your friends and do not forget to hit the like button.